guys, it's Arielle here from Fix My Books, and today we are going to talk about earned income. So what is earned income and why should you care? So first things first, you should care because earned income affects your RRSP contribution room. So if you multiply your earned income by 18%, you will get your RRSP contribution room for the year. But again, this caps out at $29,210 for 2022. So for example, you earn $1 million a year in terms of earned income. And so 18% of that will be $180,000. But again, it maxes out at $29,000. So even if your 18% is $180,000, your maximum RRSP contribution room would only be $29,210 for 2022. Okay, so what makes up earned income? So these are generally what makes up earned income. So there may be more than this, but generally this is what, normal people in their tax returns, this is what would make up their earned income. So first things first, it would be employment income. So this is not just wages and salaries. This includes bonuses, commissions, tips, and gratuities. So if you work in the food industry, you're a server, any tips goes towards earned income as well. Number 2 is self-employment or business income. So your T2125, this will be considered your earned income. This is not applicable to corporations. The corporation files its own tax return, so this is only applicable to sole proprietorships. Next is your net rental income. So net rental income means your rental income minus your rental expenses, and then the net rental income is what gets added to your earned income. Next is taxable support payments. So the child or spousal support you receive throughout the year, that counts towards your earned income as well. And lastly, disability payments from CPP or QPP also counts as earned income. So if you guys have any questions, please comment them down below. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you always get notified whenever I upload new videos to my YouTube channel. And once again, this is Arielle from Fix My Books, helping you fix your books.